Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you on allowing senders to permanently delete documents for everyone in BoldSign. BoldSign includes a helpful feature called Allow Senders to Delete Documents for Everyone. It functions like a regular delete button, but with an added capability. When a sender permanently deletes a document, it doesn't just vanish for the sender alone. It is removed for all recipients, including those who received it as CC recipients. This feature is helpful when handling confidential or important documents. The essential aspect of this feature is that everyone affected is informed of the deletion in advance. Recipients receive an email notification stating, "This document will be deleted in 30 days." Let's consider a scenario where a project manager oversees the project development process. The project manager needs to send the project development form containing sensitive information such as financial details and strategic plans to the client for approval. Once the document is approved, the project manager must revoke the client's access to the document after 30 days. This is where BoldSign's Allow Senders to Delete Documents for Everyone feature comes into play. It enhances security and mitigates the risk of sharing confidential information. Let me demonstrate how to use this feature in detail. First, I access the BoldSign application page and expand the settings menu. I choose Business Profile to navigate to the Business Profile page. Only the account administrator can access the Business Profile settings. Next, I scroll down to the Allow Senders to Delete Documents for Everyone option. I activate this option. I then save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. Whenever the project manager deletes a document forever from the trash, the document will also be permanently deleted from the accounts of recipients associated with the document after 30 days. In addition, recipients will receive an email notification regarding the impending deletion of the document. Back in our example scenario, the project manager has sent the project development form to the client for approval, and the client approved it. Now the project manager needs to delete the document permanently for everyone. Let me show you how to do this. I first need to delete the document from the My Document page. I expand the Documents menu and choose My Documents. This takes me to the My Documents page, where a list of my documents is displayed. I then locate the project development form and click the Context menu. I choose the Delete option. The document is successfully deleted from the My Documents page and moved to the trash. This deletion process does not impact the signers associated with the document. Next, I must permanently delete the document for everyone. To do this, I choose the Trash option from the Documents menu. This takes me to the Trash page, which lists trash documents. I hover over the project development form and click the Context menu. I choose the Delete Forever option and click the Yes Delete button in the confirmation pop-up. The document is permanently deleted from my account. And now the client will receive a notification email alerting them to the deletion of the document. The document will be permanently deleted after 30 days from the associated signers' accounts. That's how you allow the sender to delete a document for everyone in BoldSign and how the feature works. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.